What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And yeah, man, we got a lot. We have a lot to talk about in this video. And we are getting started with these, guys. These are the LeBron 9 Watch the Thrones. And man, I just grabbed these. Anybody who knows anything about LeBron's, you know, these were a classic way back when that everybody wanted. You know, these were started off as a PE, then they were given as a gift to Kanye and Jay-Z, and then you know, we all wanted them. But they finally did come out with these, and these are fire. These came out months and months ago, and I think they had a little restock on Nike. They had them, I think, for 20% off. Could have grabbed them by then, but $230 plus 20% off, that's still what, $150 or something like that. It's actually more than $150. It's like $180 or something, so that was a little pricey for me. But the homies at Tilt, they had them on sale. It's a local resale shop. The crazy thing is they do ship. So yeah, so I found this deal on Instagram, and then I had to pull the trigger. Sent them money on Zelle, and then these showed up the next freaking day. This is a used pair, and it is super clean. I actually didn't see any marks. All right, now that I did say that, there's like a tiny little scratch, like right here. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but that's it. The rest of it, super clean. Just no marks, no wear and tear. Check out the other side. I'm telling you, just zero marks, zero wear and tear. And yeah, I grabbed these for $95 after shipping. The only wear and tear, kind of where it should be, on the outsole, but it's not even that bad. You could tell these were minimally used. And yeah, found a crazy steal. All right, I have covered this on some of my other videos. Great time to buy resale, you guys. You guys know I don't really pay over retail or too much over retail. A great time to buy resale when it comes to used sneakers, especially if you can find a clean pair. These, I even smelled it and everything, still smells brand new. It's kind of insane. There's no cotton ball damage or cotton ball, that doesn't really show. But yeah, no cotton balls or anything, just very clean pair. If you can find one of these, you're gonna find a steal. I saved over 50%. These were dope. But let's take a look at these sneakers, and I also have a little comparison because I do have another pair similar to this, so we're gonna look at them. Yeah, so let's take a look at these sneakers, you guys. Does have that icy bottom also. It does have some interesting print, especially on the black portions. There is carbon fiber since it is a performance sneaker. Does utilize Zoom Air in the front. Does have an Air Max unit in the back, and then has a bunch of that. I want to say it was like a precursor to the Battle Knit. It is a nylon upper, but it's a super durable nylon that is woven. It does have Nike checks on the lateral side as well as the medial side, both of them being gold. This is a pretty gaudy pair of sneakers. Laces, does have that jungle flavor with a bunch of trees and a bunch of different plants. Does have LeBron's signature on the tongue. The side panel right here, definitely made of that woven nylon material. The front, just a synthetic material that Nike uses on a lot of their basketball sneakers. You can see the reinforcement along the toe right there. On the back, you do see that LeBron logo, and then you also get that little pull tab to help put that shoe on. A lot of people have seen the LeBron 9s. These are fire, but we do have a couple of decisions to make. So here's the plain version, and then here is the one with a little bit of ice on it. Look at that. It does have that gaudy accessory that you can put on your laces. So would you guys go for that look, or would you guys go for a much cleaner look? The side with the accessory or the lace. Is it the lace accessory? Lace lock? Not really a lace lock. But yeah, there's that look. And then there's just a cleaner look. I think I prefer the cleaner one. That's kind of the difference, you guys. And before Nike allowed us, the public, to get this pair, Nike released these. This is the LeBron 16 Watch the Thrones, and this was the only pair we could get for a while. And I did grab these up. Did grab this at the Nike outlets, and yeah, I was super stoked to get these at 20% off. These are fire. This was my favorite colorway of this silhouette. You can tell all the design cues come directly from the Watch the Throne 9s. Just super, super fire. These also came with that gaudy piece up front. And yeah, these are just fire, dude. These are fire. It does have a little bit more technology on it. Does have the full-length Air Max. Well, kind of, sort of, because it's in the pods. And then it also has Zoom Air inside the Air Max, which is kind of freaking nuts. This was all that was available to us for a while, so some of us did grab these. I think these were, what, $2 bills? $2 bills back in the day. Yeah, these are pretty fire. All right, guys, so what are you guys feeling? You guys feeling the Watch the Throne 16s? You guys feeling the Watch the Throne 9s? Obviously, this is the original, or it's a remake of the original, so I think more people are gonna like these. But what are you guys feeling? Which one do you guys like? Do you guys like the better technology, or do you guys like the tradition? What are you guys feeling? Both super, super fire. Glad to have both of these in my collection. And yeah, definitely glad to get these, especially for a steal. $90. Really, really good condition. I'm gonna make another video on how you guys feel about getting used sneakers and how it's a great time to buy used sneakers. But yeah, what do you guys think about these? So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kind of something a little different from the regular vlogs. I'm gonna try to bring a few more of these videos, but these are time consuming, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to get you one of those. I need to review those Pantones that you can see right there in the back. And I also have these. I kind of wanted to compare these with the Zion 1s. Pretty big differences between the Zion 2 and Zion 1, so kind of want to do that as well. Hopefully I can get that to you guys this weekend. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, you guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much you guys mean to me, and definitely appreciate you guys support the channel. Make sure you have a boy, press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, click on that notification. Got plenty videos coming. Y'all got 2 today. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you guys next one. Peace. Just got these in the mail. Did get them used. LeBron 9, Watch the Throne. Did get them for a steal. Go with the accessories, or do I do it plain with no accessories? You know, these were started off as a PE, then they were given as gifts to Kanye and tiniest mark right here. All right, now that I did say that, there's like a tiny little scratch, like right here. This is the LeBron 16 King of Thrones.